Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about why I think the euro is actually among the easiest pairs to trade. Why I think the euro USD is among the easiest forex pairs to trade. By the way, please help me by liking this video and subscribing if you are not yet subscribed. That's the only way that you can actually motivate me to continue sharing this knowledge with you for free. And by subscribing, you ensure that you also get notifications for when we post new videos, new content and stuff like that. You can leave comments in the comment section below regarding anything that you need to understand, you need help with. Everything here is for free. I don't sell anything, you don't buy anything from me. If you're looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for, or is for free. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you why I think the euro is one of the easiest pairs to trade, especially for people who are working on jobs, business, and stuff like that, who do not really have time to watch the markets and do like complex analysis and things like that. What you find when you first trade the euro USD is that it's so tied to the US dollar, like, yeah, it's euro versus dollar anyways. But for example, let's go to the daily chart. Let's try to put in an area there, and let's put a zone there. I'm just plotting these things. I'm not giving too much thought to them. So we have our areas, three areas of support and resistance there. Okay, so you see what we have here. We have our euro USD doing that. That's what our euro USD has been doing basically. I'm just trying to give you a picture of what it has been doing. Now, you find that the easiest way to trade USD related pairs is to simply use the dollar index. I always tell people, just if you have gold on your charts, if you have USD JPY, GBP USD, USD SAR, USD Mexican, USD Turkish Lira, if you have Euro USD, if you have got AUD USD, NZD USD, and pairs with the USD, the easiest thing that you can do to save yourself time and headaches is to simply go to the dollar index. That's the dollar index. What you find is that whenever, let's do that there, and maybe let's just have a level there, and I'm just throwing in these lines. I'm not even giving too much thought to them. Okay, let's start with our current candle here. It's on the daily. Let's start with our current candle there on the daily. We see that we have got a huge wick at the top, and we actually have the body of the candle at the bottom, as if what it wants to go down. But look at this candle on the dollar index. Let's go to euro USD. See, don't forget about these lines. Let me remove them. Let me remove them. See, same candle, just opposite. Same candle, Euro USD. Let me remove this line. Euro USD and US dollar index. Look, same candle on dollar index. It's same candle on Euro USD, except that on Euro USD, it's what? It's facing up. On US dollar index, it's what? It's facing down. Guys, these are simple things that you can do with your trading. You don't necessarily need to crack your head and try to complicate your trading, especially if you are trading dollar related pairs. I said, as an example, Euro USD, it strongly relates, correlates with dollar index. Whatever the dollar index will be doing, like here, it's retracing, whatever it's going to be doing, definitely Euro USD will be doing the opposite. It will be doing the opposite. Look at this massive bearish candle. Let's see if it's there on the dollar index. We have a massive bullish candle. Simple stuff. If you have got no other pair that you can trade, if you are tired of losing money in the markets and you are telling me, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to trade, I've got no idea of what to do, my friend, put Euro USD on your charts and put the dollar index next to it. That's all you need, and you trade Euro USD. Whatever happens on what? On dollar index. Whatever is happening on dollar index, Euro USD will be doing the exact opposite. Will be doing the exact opposite. Let's see. Okay, let me remove these lines here and let's go to dollar index so that I can have these charts side by side. In case somebody thinks I am doing something, I'm manipulating something. No. Okay. This is 30. Let's go to daily with this. We are on daily. On daily, let's zoom in because I want you to see this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Let's do that and do that. Can you see that? Whatever the USDXY or the dollar index, with my broker it's USDX, some call it DXY. Whatever it's doing, the euro will definitely be doing the opposite. The euro will definitely be doing opposite. So yes, you might see some discrepancies here and there. You might see some funny things here and there. But trust me, if you tell me today that I do not have any pair that I'm able to trade, I've tried everything, I've lost money with everything, I promise you, just put Euro USD on your chart and put the dollar index on your chart. Whatever the dollar index will be doing, whatever the dollar index will be doing, if it's going down, if the dollar index is going down, it means you should be buying. It means you should be buying Euro USD. Does it make sense? If the dollar index is going up, it means you should be looking for sales on Euro USD. Simple things, simple things. Then we'll get to if you then want to become smart and complicated, then that's where you can then start putting in your levels. That you start looking for other confluences. You watch out for news. Maybe you watch out for patterns, things like that. But the basic rule with Euro USD is just do the opposite of what the dollar index is doing. Whatever the dollar index is doing, do the opposite on Euro USD. And you find that is often true with GBP USD. Gold. Gold has been crazy this past week. Something happened. You see, when last week, that's why I was hesitant to use gold as an example, because I trade gold and silver as well. Last week, that counter negative correlation between gold and the dollar index last week, it was just madness, because the dollar index was buying and gold was buying. It's usually that you get what? Gold falling and the dollar index will be going up. But the past week, uh, I think it was because of what do they call them? There were some announcements and yields and stuff like that. So people just started buying gold while the dollar was also gaining. So that's why I was hesitant to use the example of gold. But with the other pairs, let me do this. As, as long as you have, this is dollar, and you have the dollar on your left, and you have your other currency on your right, and the dollar index is going up, it means buy that pair. It means buying that pair. But if you have the dollar index going down, well, what did I say? If you have the dollar index going down and the dollar is your line here, and your other currency is here, and the dollar index is going down, then obviously sell. But if you've got the dollar index going up, and the forex pair that you are looking at actually has a certain currency at the left and the dollar on the right, it means sell. If the dollar index is going up, it means sell this kind of setup, like Euro USD, AUD, USD. It means sell that thing. If the dollar index is dropping and you've got this setup like Euro USD, AUD, USD, GBP USD, it means buy those pairs. And if you have the dollar index buying and you have got a pair like USD's ZAR, US dollar versus South African rand, or US dollar versus Mexican peso, US dollar versus Japanese yen, and just the dollar index is going up, it means a buy. If dollar index is going down, it means also sell that pair. I hope it makes sense. If you need a single pair that you can make money with, simple, easy things. Just put Euro USD on your chart and put the dollar index on your chart. You don't need to crack your head. Whatever the dollar index is doing on Euro USD, do the complete opposite. That's how you make your money. Simple, no cracking your head, no funny things, no complicated indicators and things like that. If you have questions, if you like this video, please like this video. Come on, please like this video. I'm giving you this nugget for free. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, bye.